Hi guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader. We offer a great program on our website that for one day only is going to be featured and offered for a 70% discount to what it's been traditionally offered on our website. And again, I think it's one of the most popular things, one of the most popular programs I offer. I know I get a resoundingly great feedback and input from those in the program, and for the last 3 days we've been offering a special discount, and there's only one day left. So if you want to check it out, we'll attach a link to this website. I just wanted to kind of read a commentary or a testimonial from one of the people on this program, just so you can get a kind of a feeling from somebody else rather than me. And again, we do also have a review website, so don't just take my word for it. So Sean says, Mark, your webinars are quite extensive and informative. I've learned a vast amount on how to navigate the market, and I admire your teaching technique and calm manner and quiet confidence and poise. You've helped me in my trading, and in my opinion, you are the best on the internet, and I consider you my mentor, if that is okay with you. Gratefully, and regards, Dr. Sean. So it's literally a privilege to be considered a mentor by anybody. So Sean, thank you for those kind words. Now, yesterday, I talked about Roger Federer's special vision technique, how he literally keeps his eyes behind the racket to keep absolute control and see the ball perfectly. And that's why, going on 38 years old, he's now in pole position for the #1 slot in tennis, which is just a remarkable accomplishment. So again, I think it's the vision technique that I use in the markets that allows me to capitalize on the large moves, and also not to be hoodwinked or deceived by all the interim back and forth between that. So what I do is I actually visualize. I take the opposite of where I think a market will go, and then I draw a line to see if I can make the case for that market going against what I think my analysis is. And to me, I look at each daily bar, but you can't just look at the bars in a vacuum. It's like one page of an entire book. So each day is like one page in an entire book. And it's like reading a book from right to left, where the present day is just the last page in the preceding book. And so what that means is that I look all the way to the left, and it could be 9 months, it could be a year, it could even be 2 or 3 years, that a price pattern was indicated, and now the present day action is just playing within the cadence of what that pattern indicated 9 months or even 3 years ago. So there was, in my mind, a very important top in the dollar yen that will play out over time, which means ultimately dollar yen will go lower. But right now it's moving higher, and I'm just gonna watch it. And then once I determine where that primary direction is likely to be, then I look at how the market plays at key levels, and then if we get any kind of what I call key reversals, or special days where the market actually points in the direction it wants to go, but it's in cadence with the entire book. So many times I'm asked, can I do what you do on a 15-minute chart or a 1-hour chart? And to my mind, that's like just looking at the most recent chapter in the book. So if you're looking at short-term charts, all you can see is really what's happened in the recent chapter, and you can't really understand that if you haven't read the entire book. And so I like to see a vast picture of what's going on, and that's why, in my mind, I look at the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. It's in a downtrend. It's got some profound bear price patterns, but in the last couple of months, it's just been backing and filling between the 70 cents area and the 72 cents area, going back and forth. But to my mind, it's ultimately going to head lower. So I'm not hoodwinked or deceived or concerned about this interim price action. So I think it's, again, having an overall visualization. But you can't just do it without certain skills, special skills in being able to analyze price action, and price patterns. So I hope you have a healthy and prosperous trading day, and I'll see you next time.